Jonathan. This is the 25th anniversary, and it's a very nice moment for all of us today. I usually go to their house and I spend time with them, especially Jataimal. And they treat me as their own son. They're very nice to me. And yeah. And they're very nice to me. I congratulate them. I thank them for all their love. Thank you all. Enjoy your day.
This is called the silver anniversary. Those 25 years were precious. During this period of time, there have surely been ups and downs and challenges, but you completely faced them together. And there also have been a lot of joyful and happy times which you also celebrated together. As the Proverbs from the Bible says, a wife of a notable character is her husband's crown. This means that Ajandi has remarkable characters that Paulo Sangu should be proud of. I wish you only happiness, health, success, satisfaction, and joy for the rest of your life. And I hope to meet you for another 25 years on your golden anniversary. Thank you.
നമുക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും അറിയാവുന്ന ജെഫി 15 പുള്ളിയുടെ നെയ്ബർഹുഡിൽ തന്നെ ഞങ്ങൾ പണ്ട് താമസിച്ചതിന്റെ അഡ്രസ് പറയണം. ഞങ്ങൾ പണ്ട് താമസിച്ച അഡ്രസ് ക്ലീവ്ലാൻഡ് അല്ല, നിങ്ങളുടെ അടുത്ത് വൈറ്റ് പ്ലെയിൻസിൽ താമസിച്ച അഡ്രസ്. സ്വന്തം വീടിന്റെ അടുത്താണ്. 156D ഒരു 100-150 അഡ്രസ്സുകളൊക്കെ മാറ്റി പറഞ്ഞു. പുള്ളിക്കുള്ള നേരം വന്നോ Jerry, put some music on.
Uncle and Andy, I wish you, it's your 25th anniversary. I wish you 24 plus 25 more, making I wish you all a very happy married life.
പുള്ളിയുടെ ഡയർ എന്നാന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ മൈക്കിൾ ജാക്സന്റെ മൂൺ വാക്ക് നടത്തണം.
Abby, you want to help me? Abby, you want to help me? You don't have music? You don't have music.
Just move up. കൈവിടിക്കേ. എന്റെ പപ്പയുടെയും മമ്മിയുടെയും എക്സാക്ട് ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് മാരേജ്, ഇയർ, the month and the date.
I don't know what day it is.
He didn't know his math. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here's the dare. Did you guys see the movie King Kong?
Yeah.
Do you remember the scene where he's hitting on his chest and everything? Do that scene. Josh.
Just like that.
Alright, let's go to the next program.
Okay, now we're going to have a few words by Mr. Joyetan.
Good evening, everybody. വളരെ അതിമനോഹരമായ